All right, let's get you outside. First alert day because of the heat. Extreme temperatures continue easily in the record territory. We're talking 102 to 105. A lot of people putting on outdoor events are adding misting stations and shade. So just take it easy out there. We'll get through this. It's just about a month and a half early. We're in the 80s now, 87 at 10 a.m. At lunchtime, we'll be in the mid 90s, which is right around where our record is. And then we have the rest of the day to heat up. So 105 by 4 o'clock, 102 at 6, 95 at 8 p.m. and then still in the 80s at 10 p.m. The record to beat is 97. We'll do that easily.
All right, my love. First stop at Foodieland. What do we got?
A peach tea.
From lemon tea squeeze.
Yeah, I got the chunky cat.
You got the chunky cat?
It was $27.
Nice. Oh my God, $27?
It's good.
Is it?
Yeah, now can you carry it?
Okay, well, I'll carry it. And next on the list of things to get is the Island Mutsubis. What do we got, babe?
Yuzu lemon pepper wings. They're so crispy.
You love to see it, folks.
These are too hot for me to try. No, not yet.
Okay, we'll wait. Hawaiian honey cones. And Nathan.
It's good.
A little hot, a little too nice cold. Thanks for the hot.
Hot out here, so it's cold here.
It's a honeycomb.
It's good.
A honey cone. Right on.
Because these are wonderful things, but they're so freaking hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anthony, can you come here for a second?
Can I what?
I need a backpack. Thank you.
The freshly squeezed sugar cane at sugarmama.sugarcane. Sugarcane juice and slushies made with all natural ingredients. It's Sugar Mama's freshly squeezed sugar cane. Try it today. Elizabeth, how is freshly squeezed sugar cane?
It's giving me life right now. It's 1,000 degrees outside. I hate it.
Yes.
But this is delicious.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
What flavor did you get?
Strawberry.
Strawberry sugar cane. That's great.
Yeah.
And then our good friend Nate. Nate, what flavor did you get?
Calamansi.
Calamansi.
Calamansi. It's like a little lemon looking thing.
Of course.
It's perfect.
For those of you who don't know, our good friend Nate loves lemon.